Hello everyone, I'm Saili Dindorkar, clinical dietitian and nutritionist, and I am live from Shwas for You Clinic, Pune. And we are starting a new series about women's health. And I would like to tell you that last time we started the series about nutritional absorption through different kind of utensils like brass, copper, and iron, and earthen vessels and steel utensils. So we went through this series, we finished this series, and now we have started the new series about women's health. So I'm going to talk about the nutrition status of women and what all stages women go through. So this is going to be a series. Today we will start with the stages of women's life. So what all are the stages of women's life? What all stages she goes through and what all changes happens in women. Very first, childhood, then the major stage of woman's life or girl's life is puberty, where hormonal changes happens. Then pregnancy is the marriage, post marriage pregnancy. This is another major stage. Again, women go through lot many physiological changes, lot many hormonal changes happening in this stage. And then your lactation period, here also she faces lot many changes. And when your child is growing, your activity levels are different, the energy requirement and protein requirement is different. So uh, the stages what I was talking about. So this is one of one till one part I spoke. Then there is a premenopausal phase, then menopausal phase, and old age. So these are the stages where woman is facing lot many physiological changes and hormonal changes, and they go through lot of emotional, physical, ups and downs. So during all these stages, the requirement of nutrition is different. So the requirement of your carbohydrate, the requirement of your protein, your requirement of the fat, micronutrient is different. And the kind of lifestyle nowadays we have, the kind of eating habits we have, due to globalization, there are a lot many options available in the market. And uh, just not Indian food, but yes, you have all kind of cuisines available. So here there's a lot of confusion when to consume what are the sources of XYZ thing. So we will be focusing on each and every nutrient, and we are going to relate it with women's health in this series. So very first, there are major nutrients. What we are going to start with is carbohydrate, proteins, fat, and all micronutrients. So micronutrients, we will be talking about iron, because of iron deficiency, anemia is being observed in women, and we will be talking about zinc and all other micronutrients which are responsible for hormonal changes for your immunity development. Before talking all about this, all these major nutrients and relating it with your lifestyle, what we have observed and the data, what data says, the research data says, the woman, there is always a difference between your input and output of nutritional intake and the output. So intake, output and intake, what we are talking about, the energy requirement. So there is always a difference between energy requirement and the consumption of energy, and expansion of that energy. So how you are actually, what are the activities you are going through, and in your daily routine, and what are the involuntary activities happening in the body, and how much energy is required for that. So there's always a difference, one part. Secondly, it has been noticed, because we are going to focus more on protein, energy, malnutrition also. And very first, you need to understand what is malnutrition. So malnutrition is not always underweight. So malnutrition, when there is when there is improper intake of some nutrient, which is going to cause the so which is so you're not having a balanced diet basically. So and this malnutrition is going to lead to either obesity or underweight, or there is always a deficiency or over intake of particular nutrient that is going to lead to malnutrition. So we cannot actually categorize malnutrition to just underweight people. So it is just no, you are not having the nutrient in correct amount what is required for you. That is malnutrition. So we are going to talk about malnutrition also, and these major nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, fat, all the vitamins and minerals, these are all responsible for all this malnutrition. And uh, in this lifestyle, when the time of consumption, how to understand yourself, that is also a major factor, and how to change your diet. So we will talk more about that. And uh, there are many factors which are responsible for delaying your different responsible for your particular intake, like your meetings are there or anything. So we will speak and focus more on these factors. So thank you so much for patient listening, and stay tuned for more information about women's health. Thank you.